What's up guys, Taylor here, and today I'll be showing you the bot I've been working on for quite a while that's finally finished with the help of artificial intelligence. The bot's basis uses concepts of arbitraging mempools and front-run leveraging popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwiching transactions. It analyzes mempools, which are essentially waiting rooms for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. After reading the mempools, it picks certain transactions to specify higher gas fees than the initiated fees, allowing us to process our transaction first, then process a sell order right after, meaning the pending transactions get sandwiched by ours, giving us profit in the slippage. If this sounds complicated, it's really not. You don't need any coding experience whatsoever since the script was generated almost entirely by AI. Okay, first, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed. MetaMask is essential for interacting on Web3. Now we'll go to Remix. Remix is used for creating smart contracts. I'll put a link to Remix along with everything else you need in the description below. Now, move over to the sidebar on the left and create a new file under the Contracts folder. Name it bot.sol. In the description, I've linked the bot's source code. Copy this code and paste it in the file you just created. This is our bot. Everything is already set by default. Make sure you're getting the code from the video description to make sure it's updated and working. Before we compile our bot, make sure to read our quick user guide at the top. It's important to note, for the bot to function optimally, it's recommended to use a deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The absolute minimum liquidity required is 0.2 Ethereum. Anything less than 0.2 Ethereum runs the risk of absolute losses. The larger the deposit, the more transactions the bot can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum, with a little bit extra to pay for gas fees, and that you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Let's go over to the Solidity compiler tab now. On the very top of the code, you'll see it's built with the 0.6.6 version of Solidity. Under Compiler, select the 0.6.6 version so that it matches our contract. Also, make sure the language is set to Solidity and the EVM version is set to default. Click the Compile button and wait for the bot to compile. Now let's deploy this from our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Here, select Injected Provider as the environment. MetaMask will pop up. Just connect it. Everything looks good? Click Deploy. I always use aggressive gas fees because there's usually not much difference, and it puts the transaction through faster. Let's wait for the transaction to confirm. Great! We can see here it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Scroll down a little and click this. Now you can see your bot's control panel. Start enables the bot to start sniffing mempools. Withdrawal stops the bot and transfers the funds back into your wallet. These two are used for debugging in case you run into any issues. Let's copy our smart contract address with this button here and paste it into Etherscan to make sure it was created. Yep, it was created successfully. Next, let's fund our contract. I'll copy the contract address once more and head back over to MetaMask. Make sure you've got the right contract address in there. I'll put in 1 Ethereum and set the gas fees to aggressive again. Nice! Transaction confirmed. Now the bot has Ethereum to work with. Let's double check our contract on Etherscan to make sure it's funded. Perfect! Now the last step is to click Start. Let's set the gas fee to aggressive and click Confirm. I'll let this run for a bit and check back later. Alright, it's been a little over 8 hours. Let's refresh Etherscan and see how it's going. As you can see, it now has about 1.38 Ethereum, which is already 38% profit. This is really good, but I want to show you the bot's full potential. Let's give it the rest of the day to work its magic. Okay, after letting the bot run for a full day, let's refresh Etherscan and check its balance. Unreal! It's now at over 2 Ethereum, which means we gained over 1 Ethereum in 24 hours. That is insane. The bot will continue to run until you click the Withdrawal button. When you click Withdrawal, the bot exits the mempools and returns the total amount of Ethereum you entered initially, including the profit, back to your wallet. Let's click it. This will charge us a little bit more gas. We'll set it to aggressive again, then click Confirm. There we go, transaction confirmed. Let's check our MetaMask. Nice, the bot's balance is in my wallet. Keep in mind, this is only after 24 hours. Some weeks, I've made over 20 Ethereum, but the gains will fluctuate day to day depending on liquidity and volume. If you have any questions, I put my Telegram link in the description. Let me know what profits you get in the comments below. Seriously, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading content in the future. For now, turn post notifications on and give this bot a try.